right, now this is something you don't see every day. One of the original cast of Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory playing Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory.
Now, if you hit that gobstopper, it'll spin and then it'll open up. There it is. Nice shot. You just got big points. Oh, goodness. That's okay.
That's all right. You get 3. It's not something you see every day.
Nice save.
Lose me here all day.
That's the magic of pinball versus a video game.
Harris!
Yes.
Veruca went first.
Yes.
So,
No, I'll go over here.
so we got it. So that's, again, not a sight you see every day. The original Veruca Salt and Mike TV playing the brand new Willy Wonka game.
Right.
Don't interrupt me.
No vertical. Never side to side. Ah!
All right, not bad.
I'm a big help, obviously.
It's doing so well.
Yes, it's all my fault. So this is the first moment we've seen this. Game over. Well, what do you think?
I won 1 how. That's really cool.
It is.
Great fun.
Well,
Me and my one piece of advice, go up and down, not side to side.
You're right. No,
Clunk.
that's a very good tip. And then,
Yeah,
you know,
until
there's so much to this machine. Jack can tell you a lot more than I do. But I know if you hit it,
I've seen the video.
yeah, a few more times, it will spin open, and then that,
drop.
yeah, that's
It'll drop
called,
right in the trap door
the
there.
designer called that a gobble hole, which is an old term for the older gobble
Right.
holes,
Yeah.
But things to remember: you have flippers up here, you have flipper over here too, and so the right is the right, and the left is the left. So next time you play, utilize those as well. I know there is a portion of the game that utilizes the camera.
Yeah.
We'll take a picture of you, and it does video footage.
That's like a selfie cam. Yeah.
Yeah.
and it'll throw your picture up here
Yes.
as you play or at the end of the game. Play it a second time.
Yeah, I'll go back.
You should go against each other.
What's that?
You should play 2 players. Well, actually,
You being like one and then the other.
yeah,
and then the other.
this can be played up to 4 players at a time,
Sure. Yeah.
and it saves your wrists when you're
This,
playing
I
with
think, is
multiplayers.
This is the collector's edition, so it saves balls from game to game as well, right?
Right?
What?
It's great fun. Have you had a chance to play it yet?
I haven't.
You should do it now while you got it before the crowds come.
I want to get myself set up first.
All right. I was gonna do an interview, but rather watch you play the game. Oh. Here we go.